p.m. Tuesday. Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Low-water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable. Additional details, at 5:17 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, water was reported flowing into Morgan, Colorado. Emergency management reported flooding along East Bijou Creek west of Agate in the Warren area earlier today. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen this afternoon in the upper part of the basin. This includes the following streams and drainages: Bijou Creek Basin including East Bijou, Middle Bijou and West Bijou Creeks and their tributaries. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. You're listening to the NOAA All Hazards Radio broadcast.
Yep. Oh, there we go. They extended the flood warning. That's why. So they extended it until Tuesday. Oh boy, hopefully it's not like last time where they kept extending and extending and extending. But I don't mind it. It's okay. And Channel 7 is still off the air, KEC 76, or at least it got degraded, which is just sad. Hopefully it'll come back soon, hopefully before the next weekly test, because I don't want to live in a world without KEC 76.